want you to know that this is probably one of the best screwdrivers I've ever gotten. It's called a Husky. It just sounds so good. I'm just dialing it in. Either way, bam, bam. Both ways it turns. It not only sounds good, it is good. Okay, it doesn't work when I do it this way, which is interesting. When I hold it like this, though, it definitely does. Ooh! Alright, let's get to work. Oh. No, before I get to work. Take it off. I got all my different sets that I need. Phillips, regular rat. Whoop. Not only that, you got square heads. Even, there we go, there's the focus. Now you can see things much better. And another set, you know, a little Allen wrench set, it's cute. And it comes with an extension piece to your extension. I don't need this. I can just have this. It all comes together apart from each other. So, extenders and everything, buy it.